Juggle Jam. Once upon a time, there was a trio of jugglers, aptly named the Juggle Junkies. The threesome comprised of Jim, Jack, and Jerry, who were well known throughout the circus world for their unbelievable stunts and shocking mishaps. One fine evening, Heinz's hectic circus was about to have the biggest performance of the year. The elephant, Eddie, had just finished balancing on a unicycle, and now it was time for the Juggle Junkies to take the spotlight. The crowd was buzzing with anticipation, their eyes wide open, as Jim, Jack, and Jerry prepared for their routine. The troupe had planned to juggle colorful bowling pins while standing on top of wobbling balls, with the added difficulty of swapping pins mid-air. A feat no one had ever attempted before. The stakes were high, and so were their nerves. But they were ready. As soon as the trio got up on the balls, an unseen chaos unfolded. Jim, the tallest and supposedly the most balanced of the three, slipped and accidentally tossed his pin into the air. The pin, instead of going to Jack, flew right towards the popcorn machine, causing it to shower popcorn all over the audience. The audience roared with laughter, but the show had to go on. Jack, seeing his incoming pin replaced by a cascade of popcorn, began juggling the buttery snacks instead. Jerry, the youngest but most agile, decided to keep up with the chaos and began tossing his pins to the rhythm of the circus music. The audience was in splits. Some even began tossing popcorn back to Jack, who juggled it all with a confused but entertaining expression. Jim, now more cautious, hopped back on his ball, only to accidentally kick Jerry's ball from under him. Jerry, ever the acrobat, landed on his feet, still juggling, and even managed to catch the rogue pin Jim had initially launched. The crowd was in hysterics. The ringmaster, flabbergasted, simply shook his head and chuckled. In the end, the Juggle Junkies received a standing ovation, not for their planned routine, but for their unexpected comedic performance. The circus had never been so entertained. The jugglers, still panting and laughing, bowed to the audience. The next day, the headlines read, "Juggle Junkies turn popcorn poppers, best mishap in circus history." The trio had stumbled, quite literally, into fame, leaving the whole town talking about the unforgettable, hilarious act at Heinz's hectic circus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.